Hi guys, Kevin Lee Jacobs here. Thanks for spending time with me today. It's Sunday afternoon and I am in the mood for some lemon chicken thighs. The recipe came to me from the owner of a French restaurant in Latham, New York. The restaurant has since closed, but the gorgeous lemon chicken thighs will always remain. First things first, grab a lemon and a knife. Cut off the ends, and then slice the lemon into, roughly 1/4 inch slices. I'm going to need 4 slices because I have 4 chicken thighs I'm dealing with, and I can save the rest of this lemon for the deglazing sauce. Let me grab the chicken. I will be right back. I'm back. I forgot to tell you to flick out the seeds with the tip of a knife. They'll come out very easily. Usually, anyway. There they go. Easy. And I'm removing the seeds simply because I don't want anyone to bite into a seed. There we go. And here are our chicken thighs. These are from free-range chickens, and I was able to buy them at my local supermarket. And what we do is loosen the skin and tuck, hope you can see, tuck a lemon between the skin and the flesh of the thigh. Very easy to do, although sometimes you have to loosen up the skin a bit. Oh, there goes Avery, barking at a squirrel, no doubt. And yeah, just loosen the skin. Avery is learning how to sing. I think she might be part Beagle. I used to have a Beagle, who I love dearly, and I really miss her singing. Okay, next step, I have to fire up my skillet. I'll be right back. This is my El Cheapo, but very trusty electric skillet. You could certainly use a cast iron skillet or any skillet you happen to have and just place it over medium heat on your cooktop. And I've heated mine to 300 degrees, and I will probably lower the heat a little later. Anyway, I will link to this skillet in the description box below. Just click Show More and you'll find it. That's just in case you're in the market for an affordable electric skillet. I certainly use mine a lot. So I've just added 1 tablespoon of butter. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. There we go. And the olive oil is there to keep the butter from burning. And I'll give this a quick little swirl. Hope I'm not making you dizzy. Probably not, because you're not in the frying pan. And when the butter melts and its foam subsides, add the chicken, turn skin and lemon side down, and you should hear the chicken sizzle right away. Try to adjust this a little better so you can see everything. The skillet is large enough to accommodate 6 large chicken thighs, and I forgot to add my seasoning, so I'm going to add some to the other side, and then when I flip the chicken over, I will season that side as well. And before I do that, I have to wash my hands. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and already I can smell the gorgeous lemon aroma. And look at this. That's what I mean by very brown. skin is crispy too. This one, and then we are going up. I needed to season this side, a little salt, a little pepper, and some Herbes de Provence. If you don't have Herbes de Provence, just use dried thyme. And now we're going to cover the skillet and lower the heat. The chicken should just barely sizzle. If it's a loud sizzle, you will know your heat is too high. So I'm turning my skillet down to about 225 degrees. That's probably low heat on a regular stovetop. And I'll come back. The chicken should be ready in about 15 minutes. While the chicken is doing its thing, let me show you the potatoes I dug up earlier today. They are beautiful red Norland potatoes. And I'm going to clean some of these up, and I will steam them and mash them and top them with salt, pepper, and butter. And I think they'll make a great side dish for the chicken. I might also blanch some green beans. So I'll be back. Okay, the chicken has cooked for 25 minutes, and let me test its temperature with this little instant read digital thermometer. And we want the chicken to achieve 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, this one is 180. And this one is 179. So I know they're all perfectly done, but they're not overdone because bone-in chicken tends to stay really moist even if you overcook it. So my potatoes are almost finished. My green beans are blanched. I put some butter on them. And I'll come right back and plate this up for you. Ha! I almost forgot to make the deglazing sauce for you. I've moved the chicken, I don't know if you can see, I've moved the chicken to a plate just to hold it for a moment. And then I have my skillet still hot. So, to deglaze the skillet, I'm going to add a little splash of vermouth. And if you don't have vermouth, or if you don't have vermouth, you could always use white wine. Pinot Grigio would be wonderful. And if you can't have alcohol, just use chicken stock or water. And I'm going to add the little bit of juice from the small piece of lemon that remain. And then stir with a wooden spoon or a heat-proof spatula to scrape up all of the little yummy, flavorful bits that have stuck to the bottom of the pan. Yes, those little bits are loaded with flavor. And then, as a finishing touch, add a little pat of butter and swirl the pan just until the butter melts. This is called enriching the deglazing sauce. It's a well-known French technique, and a very smart French technique at that. And our deglazing sauce is done. So now I can plate up the chicken. Make sure that last bit melts. I'll plate up the chicken and come right back to you. And here's our chicken dinner. I have the chicken thigh and the blanched green beans that I topped with butter and salt and pepper. And here are the just plucked potatoes, the red potatoes, that I steamed, and then I didn't peel them because with fresh potatoes you really want to leave the peel on. It's totally delicious. And I just slightly mashed them, added a little butter and some salt and pepper. So let me show you what you can do with the chicken, and this is entirely up to you, you can remove, let me see if this one's going to let me do it. You can remove the lemon if you wish, but you do not have to, and you can place it on top, like so. And then add the deglazing sauce, which, because I'm a queen, I put in a nifty little gravy boat. Pour this over. I think I'm going to pour some over the potatoes as well. And then I'm going to take a taste test, but I already know it's going to be delicious. Only a small taste test because my spouse and I are going to head outside to the herb garden to eat this incredible meal. A little chicken. Man. Oh wow. It is amazing how just that slice of lemon permeates the whole chicken thigh. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try. I also hope you'll give this recipe a thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have tons of recipes I want to share with you. And what else did I need to say? Oh yes, please post a comment below because I love hearing your thoughts. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.